Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm Franz Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And today I'm going to share with you how to do a mirror image with the dog. When it comes to a punch, you can do the same thing like with the cat and so on. I'm using a piece of cardstock that measure, I want to say 3 by 4. 3 by 4. You want a piece big enough. So I'm going to keep this one for my template when I need back. So I'm going to keep it in my case. So first thing you want to do, it would be, let's say you don't have one and that's the color of the dog you want to do. You're going to take this and punch it out and put that right here. Now I need another dog, so I'm just going to click one here. So you see, if I would go ahead and stamp it, this is the image I get this way. Boom. Well, I'm going to use it on my stamparatus here. And what you're going to do is put it right in your opening where you cut this. Okay, so now it's in your opening. Close your, the plate. Open this up. And I'm using crumb cake, and with crumb cake I'm going to outline my dog with early espresso. So let's say you want to do like 15 dogs. You just need one this big, and the rest you can use scrap paper. I'm going to bring the punch out. We need the punch out. I'm going to close this out, press lovely. And I should have said, did I say? I got my silicone mat under here. I got my mat that come with the big shot and then the silicone mat. Now I'm going to put that in the opening here and press it lovely. Make sure it's all in. So here we go. Now I'm going to press it back. It's going to do an imprint in the back, but whoopee, right? And then let's see if it's dark enough. If it's not dark enough, then we're going to go again. Oh, I can use one more time. So if that's the case, you're going to ink again. Really, it's good, but I'm just going to share in case if when it's not. Press this lovely. And you want to put that kind of fast while the ink's still wet. Put that in the opening there. And then I'm going to close it back. Yeah, I was doing it differently, bring the punch there, and Ollie said, wait. And I had a video on framelits like that, and I'm like, And voila. So now, I'm going to take my, I've already done this card here. I put the little footprints, Friends Forever, the little bone inside. And then I'm going to use a dimensional. And the dog's going to be holding the little arts. And then I bet you're going to say, oh, what you going to do with your silicone mat? That's no biggie. You're just going to wash it with, you can use your mist, the stamping cleaner, or you can use, you want to put the heart in the back like the holding it. Here we go. How cute is that? Okay, so this here, to wash that, what I do, you can go running under warm water, or you can spray, oops, I think it's time, no, it's good. My stamping mist, take my inky rag, and wipe it. That is it. So I'm going to have all the supplies, the stamparatus, the dog, and this is a note card. I'm going to have all the supplies on my blog below. You get the direct link or above. Thank you so much, and all in the US, you're welcome to come shop 24/7 at FrenchieStamps.com. Have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.